Samuelu Su'a's bail application adjourned to Thursday. The bail application by Samuelu Su'a has been adjourned to Thursday to await a CT scan for the applicant who remains in police custody. Prosecutor Tay Malalangile Nafo Strickland lodged the police objection to the bail application. Samuelu's lawyer Fetulanga Aya requested the court for an adjournment until his client has had his CT scan. He said the CT scan result is relevant to their bail application, and District Court Judge Talasa Ato Saanga granted the adjournment. Prosecutor Tay Malalangi informed the court that the CT scan appointment was postponed from last week due to the unavailability of the scanner, and Judge Talasa asked prosecution to find out how soon the CT scan can be done, then adjourned the matter to 12:30 Thursday. Samuelu and his wife Sivai Kepu were detained by police 3 weeks ago and charged for defamation when Samuelu named on social media some people in relation to the yet-to-be-resolved hit-and-run incident that killed a young man at Vaitele in April 2021.